So I just wanted to make it very clear before the beginning of this video, I screwed up on this install a lot. This service I tried doing screwed up, and I'll be making a better video about it later, about me actually fixing this thing. So enjoy the video. Fuck, it's cold today. Good morning, everyone. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're not gonna really deal with this car. We're gonna deal with this car. Oh. Well, that's organized. Most organized it's happened. Alrighty. This is my 2000 S10 Chevy Blazer. I have no idea what my plans are with it yet. Really, just doing whatever I can to make it last. But this video series with it, it'll be I call it Make Beaters Great Again.
Yellow.
Hey, I'm on my way. God damn it. Yep, I had to drop some stuff off. So. Oh. Hey, Starvin' Marvin.
Where's your family post, Starvin' Marvin?
Alright, let's go. Time to call the hedgehog.
Yo.
We are on our way.
I figured.
Hedgehog. We've made it, hedgehog. Ooh.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
He is known by many names. Tenderloin.
You better be careful.
Guess you're just gonna have to watch the final video, the final edit of this. Oh, by the way, you know what this series will be titled? Make Beaters Great Again. Yes. Yep. Yes, and you can't knock me for it either, because if we walk over here.
Look, why are you gonna point out my Jeep like that?
We just need to get, we're just gonna take this off. Fuck it. We're gonna take this off, take the belt off, and then we got 4 bolts. And that should be where the water pump is. Oh, how you doing over there? Yep. Oh, that worked.
Did you f*** up? I might have f***ed up, yes.
Ah! Caleb, I see where I f***ed up. The bolt spins with the actual water pump. I should have left the belt on to take the bolts off. Oh, we're gonna do this the old-fashioned way. Gonna hold one right here. Then we're gonna hold another right here. I hurt my own head, but hey, but look, it worked though. I just loosened 2 nuts. Ha! Engineering. Yeah, I should have just left it on. Me. Oh well. Curse my initial thoughts. Do you think having a lift would make things easier?
Probably not, so you're gonna get to the top of the fucking game.
I kind of figured. I was just curious in the moment. I loosened all the bolts, but of course I had to use 2 bolts to loosen one. Now the final bolt is well, pesky. And
so what do you need?
Hold something. I need you to, I'm gonna try to hold the actual water pump while you actually spin. You know, righty, lefty, loosey, all that fun hunky dory. Yeah. I wish I had another 13 ratchet wrench.
So Gabe, does this count as stupid?
Z, have I ever told you how much I'm gonna hate you?
Nope.
Okay, well, I'm gonna hate you. Me and Caleb both are gonna hate you.
What?
He wants a Miata. He wants to make an off-road Miata.
Oh yeah, no, I saw that.
Yeah, I was just
Don't
like,
blame me that it's a good idea.
I'm not saying it's not. I hate cramped spaces. I don't know.
Look, I know it's still bad. I know Miata's still worse. I don't want to hear it.
Alright,
I'll take that over the Impala.
okay.
Okay?
In the defense, I at least have a back seat.
I never said.
Mustang.
Hey,
Wait,
hey.
okay, he's
hey,
defending you
hey.
and you're judging him. You know?
No, I'm making the comparison.
Backseat? What you mean? You have just as much of a backseat as I do in the Mustang.
God.
Yeah, that's fair, okay.
We talking shit about the Miata. How are we talking about the Mustang?
Hey.
How are we talking about
Content. Shut up.
I said, how are we talking about the damn Mustang? Skip, why you take the bolt off?
It was falling out, and I would rather take it out than it falling off. Hey, grab this. All right. Pull. See? Look, just takes 3 hands, okay? Z, I think you've only been not involved, I think, 1 video.
I know.
I think.
Yeah, your fender.
No? You were involved in that?
Oh, yeah,
The spoiler. That was the only video.
Sorry, I meant the spoiler.
Yeah, I must say the spoiler was the only one that you have not been involved in.
Yes, sir.
Though it will be nice when Z gets his Miata for a multitude of reasons. A, that means I don't have to come pick. None of us has to come pick your up. 1. I mean, it's not like we wouldn't like occasionally all go in one car to make lives easier, but we can actually like pull up in style now, modified or not. This sucks.
What about your struggles in a minute?
I wanted to. I thought I could do this to pop this off, but clearly, A, I'm gonna need more access to get to just to be able to look. Not to mention, the actual water pump is obviously here, but I see 1. I think there's a bolt there. I can't truly see it all, so this is gonna be. Oh, ow.
We
Come
were
on.
thinking to take off the water pump without making space to take out the water pump.
Well, I thought, look, it looked simple, okay?
Yeah.
Let's just test your theory so I can go get the Ugga Dug and start Ugga Dugging.
I know, right?
You hurt my head.
I hurt my own head with disappointment. Hello. Hello. Hi, Buns. Hi. Do you have bags? Small baggies of any kind?
No.
Do your thing. Pick a pocket. These go right there. Oh, that's why. Hey, Z.
What?
Gonna need to add another one to bingo. 1 persistent bolt that won't come off for some reason. Or did we say that was a free spot?
No, comes from the front spot.
Oh, right. How'd the fan get even closer?
No, that thing probably just moved. No, it's
No, it got closer. How the
Man,
heck?
Gabe, you are a genius. No, it
Oh,
didn't get
okay,
closer.
cool.
It's just the
There we go. Knuckle. Ah.
You want to help?
Yep. All right. So
And I didn't even stumble upon
after dealing with a whole bunch of trouble, we got them all loosened. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of it up. I already lost 1 GoPro battery, so I'm gonna try and preserve it, and I'll just keep y'all updated. Alrighty. Get off. Don't tell Caleb, but I accidentally been tightening all the bolts. Don't tell him, but I've been tightening all the bolts.
So what was the idea on food?
Z, can you chip in? And I mean, your meal costs a lot more than $10.
I know.
Okay. If we can all chip in, then we can do like some Marco's Pizza.
You're the damn Marcos.
What? What's wrong with Marcos?
Nothing wrong with Marco. That's not the cut.
I didn't get my Marcos last time, all right? Leave me alone. Look, when I saw that you can get 2 slices for only $5, you better leave me the fuck alone. All right, I'm not saying it's Wendy's 4 for $4, but, you know, it's better than me spending, what, 10, bare minimum, $12 for a burger and fries? Yeah. I was retightening all the bolts. I'm a fucking idiot. Honest hoe, Z. Honest hoe. Alright, so some time has passed. We got some food in our systems. And we got stuff to start actually, you know, moving stuff for us. So we put some penetrating fluid to get the bolts out easier, because that's what we're about to remove that. Oh, that hurt. I'll just go from there. So, see how that fucking plays out. No. Yeah. Hardest thing I'm having right now is took my shit. No. No.
And you've been over here.
It's a joke.
So wait, we trying to unclamp it?
Yeah. I heard something. I heard. You know, this is why I'm just about to buy bolt cutters.
I was trying to get under it and try and see if I could loosen it by prying it.
So I was going to see if I can get that. I don't ask. This is going to hurt my hands.
Probably. I'm here to watch you fail. Hello, boys.
Good news. Plan worked.
And what's the plan?
Get extra strength. Hey Z,
What's up?
add this to the bingo board. When we think something's going to take no more than 2 hours.
I knew this was going to be a project.
Well, I think this would.
See?
Honestly,
That's why it's on the bingo board, Caleb. Not because you think so, but because he thinks so.
if you can't get that off by 2, we're just reassembling what we got and saving this for later.